Oh, that is absolutely more premium sounding. This is like the difference of a $50 dive watch bezel versus something on an Omega or Rolex. Hello once again, YouTube. Today it's Mike with Conquer Roads, and I'm going to take you on an epic adventure. For the item I just received in from Blackhawk, Japan, I purchased some high-speed, low-drag air conditioning knobs in black metal. Let's go ahead and have a look at this thing. I appreciate how particular Blackhawk Japan is, or maybe it's a Japanese culture thing. Everything's very symmetrical, lined up nice. The stickers have like a look to it. The packaging's all new and beautiful. I've never had any problems with Blackhawk Japan. Ordered quite a few things. Nice. Stout packaging. Okay. Pretty nondescript box within. Let's keep it going. All right. And here we go. 3, 1, 2, 3. Nothing super descriptive on the tag. You do have BK for black, I would assume. And then I see ZN8, which is the model code for, I believe, the GR86, but same ZD8, I believe, is the BRZ. And then a price, these were somewhere around $100 shipped. So let's take a look a little bit closer. Let's see what one of these looks like. I will post-edit a link and a photo of what these look like and the brand name from Blackhawk Japan. But here is a gander at what these look like. So you can see they have like little knobs. It's kind of like a cool look. It's definitely aluminum or aluminium for you folks from the UK. Yeah, it's got a nice clean look. And the reason I went with these as opposed to the ones we see on Amazon all the time is because I really wanted to have something different than what was made available on Amazon. That's kind of what everybody has. And I definitely wanted to get something on the car to just cover up what I consider extremely cheap plasticky feeling on the stock knobs. If you've seen my other video about the first must-do 7 mods, I didn't mention this piece, obviously, because I just got it, but I do take note that the cheapest parts of the BRZ interior are the air conditioning knobs. I'd say, aside from these, which I'm going to get some metal pieces here at some point, these are pretty terrible. And then the air vents, which I can try to post-edit a link to the air vents that I've done as well. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can just stick these on the car. There's no instructions on how they go on, but I assume they just slide on. We'll see if I need tape or if it's a friction fit. Back in action inside the cabin of my BRZ, and we can take a very quick look and see that I have already fit one of these. I test fit this in preparation for actually filming it for the video, and took a couple like feels, and initially, I was like, hey, these don't fit that well or whatever. But I gave it a really hardcore press, and sure enough, it's friction fit, and I'm not comfortable pulling this off. Like it is definitely on there. I don't want to rip the button apart, so on it is great success. Let's see about these other two. So the way these friction fit, the opening which is this left side with the lines, not the side that has the little divots is going to be the side that faces you, is a little bit wider. So this opening's a little bit wider, and then it slowly gets thinner as it goes to the exit here. So let's see. Give her a really crazy push. One-handed. Yeah. And there you have it. That is on there, and it's not coming off. I don't know about what you guys think, but I think that is a step in the right direction as far as class. So these are clearly black, but they do offer silver and red and maybe some other colors, maybe blue, but I went with the black to keep it a little bit more subtle, and I didn't want to get anything that I would consider tacky. So go ahead and put the last one on. Give this a mega push. And we are in business. That is installed. 1, 2, 3. I think that looks pretty clean. Yeah, if you all think the same, or if you think otherwise, go ahead and chat about it in the comments. I'm interested to see. I appreciate witty comments. Go ahead and send it. But this really wraps up this fast review. These are fantastic. I think they look great. The aluminum is good quality. Is it worth $100 shipped to your door? I don't know about that. I think for what these are, maybe $10 a piece would be something fair. I'd say they're overpriced, but it is what it is. That's life in the car world. I'm glad I have them. Just wish they were a little bit less. So, all right, ladies and gents, thanks again for taking a look at the video. If you can, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It is free 99, and it'll help me get to my goal of 1,000. Thanks, guys. Cheers. Have a good one.